guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to quickly get system information into your WordPress website. So how to know PHP version, server sizes, database info, and important information about your WordPress website directly on the dashboard without installing anything. All we have to do is stop this. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, feel free to use the comment section below, and of course share this video with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, you're gonna enter with your domain plus.com.net plus WP admin or WP login. You're gonna enter with email or username and password. After this, you're gonna be able to see a page just like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over tools. All WordPress installation have this option right here. The amount of menus that you see into the section changes according to the plugins you are using, the theme that you are using, but all WordPress installation have tools. Hover your mouse over it and click on Site Healthy, just like this, into the submenu Site Healthy. This is gonna share with you the site health status, the site health information. So things you should do, things you should upgrade, fix, change. But right here into the top section, we're gonna see status and info. Click on info, scroll down, and right here we're gonna be able to find all the information about your WordPress, the directories, drop-ins, active theme, inactive themes, active plugins, inactive plugins, media handling, and server. Right here on server you can see, for example, PHP version. So imagine the following scenario: you did install some plugin that broke your site, and the plugin developer asks you to understand your site information or site health. All you have to do is click into this button, copy site info to clipboard, and paste this information to the developer that is helping you so they can understand more about your site without having the needs of accessing your site. So review all the information and check to send this. It's really important to understand your complete site health and site information to quickly get your status, to better understand your site and the needs, the problems, how to fix, debug, and more information. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And remember, this into previous versions of WordPress was a plugin. You need to install a plugin to have this information, but now it's a native feature of WordPress. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!